Hi guys! Today we discuss the 7 strangest buildings, their location, appearance, and other characteristics. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Let's get started. When do you think about weird structures that come to your mind? Is the building shaped like a basket or a curved house? And if you haven't seen a weird building yet, here are 10 amazing, unusual, and cool buildings that do not fit the normal criteria for you to pick from. Number 1. Atlassian HQ. The tower is designed to reflect Atlassian's core values around sustainability and workplace culture. It will be the tallest commercial hybrid timber tower in the world and is at the leading edge in its application of carbon-sequestering mass timber construction. The tower is organized as 6 discrete but interconnected habitats. Each 4-level habitat is a freestanding mass timber construction supported within the efficient steel exoskeleton. A naturally ventilated zone, akin to an outdoor garden, is located at each level. The open garden spaces are key to the tower's exceptional environmental innovation and diminished ecological footprint. Taking advantage of Sydney's temperate climate, the operable facades allow large areas of each floor to function without mechanical cooling and air handling. Together with the novel use of mass timber, the innovative facade enables the project to reduce carbon emissions by 50% over 10 years. Number 2. Tower C. A pair of super-tall skyscrapers united by planted terraces will define the mixed-use Tower C development, which Zaha Hadid Architects is designing for Shenzhen, China. Designed for a new financial center called the Shenzhen Bay Super Headquarters Base, Tower C is set to become one of the tallest buildings in the city at nearly 400 meters in height. Linking its 2 towers will be a multi-story podium composed of a series of sinuous terraces, each filled with greenery and aquaponic gardens, a system involving growing plants in water. Tower C was the winning entry of an undisclosed competition and will form part of a group of corporate office buildings in the Shenzhen Bay Super Headquarters Base, which will accommodate approximately 300,000 people when complete. Alongside office buildings, this district will also feature conference centers, exhibition spaces, and residential blocks, alongside a transport hub, gardens, and a coastal zone. Number 3. O Tower. The O Tower contains over 161,000 square meters of office and research and development space, as well as 68,000 square meters of retail space for the mobile phone company. The tower is designed for a site between a lake and a 2.5-acre park in Yuhang's future Sci-Tech City, a center of technology entrepreneurship in the Yuhang district. A huge O cut through the core of the cylindrical tower is designed to provide the flexibility of floor space needed within the company, as well as reduce energy consumption and maximize natural light. It angles down towards the ground on its southern side to maximize views, and the opening is surrounded by a twisting infinity loop. The base of the atrium would provide a greenery-filled public courtyard leading through to lobbies. The 3 floors above are designed to be used for visitors-facing elements of the program, including conference, exhibition, and workshop facilities. And that is not all. The whole facade is intended to be wrapped in louvers that provide sun shading, reducing solar gain by over 50%. Number 4. Pencil Hotel. Australian architecture studio Durbach Block Jaggers has unveiled its design for the 6.4-meter wide Pencil Tower Hotel skyscraper that is set to be built at 410 Pitt Street in Sydney. In total, the hotel would contain 173 hotel rooms with 6 suites on each floor. It will stand on a 7-story podium building that will contain a lobby, cafe, and lounge, and be topped by a spa on the upper floors that opens out onto a projecting balcony. Would you stay in this hotel? It is pretty amazing, right? Number 5. Tulip Tower. The Tulip is designed to include the Aspire educational facility operated by building owners J. Saffer Group, as well as a glass dome at the tip of the structure housing the Sky Bar. The project's initial ideas call for sky bridges, internal glass slides, and gondola pod rides on the building's facade. Located across from Foster Plus Partners skyscraper The Gherkin, the project space would include a small park and ground floor pavilion and garden. This tower should be about 305 meters high, It will surely become a real tourist attraction, and how could it not be in addition to its amazing appearance? Number 6. Ethereal Tower. How to create a landmark for the city skyline and at the same time evolve the very idea of the tower. This is the challenge posed by the architects of the Sao Fujimoto studio, the minds behind the Ethereal Tower conceptual proposal. The 268 meters high tower elevating from the surface of the water will consist of 99 towers arranged around a central pylon, a series of individual parts yet essential to form the overall structure, becoming one and many at the same time. Seen from above, the tower will almost look like a group of islands floating in midair and adorned by a series of incessant cascades of water. On the top, the structure will host a glass viewing platform which will be used as an exhibition space. Pretty crazy design, huh? Number 7. Big Bend. In March 2017, Architecture Studio Ohio released designs for an ambitious skyscraper in New York City. The concept of the Big Bend grew from considering what would happen if New York substituted height with length, and what if buildings were long instead of tall? The Big Bend would be formed from a very thin structure that would bend over at the top before returning to the ground. At 4,000 feet, it has been called their concept the longest building in the world. The design was prompted by New York City's zoning laws, which enable real estate companies to purchase air rights from neighboring buildings, allowing for a new upsurge in super slender towers that build taller and taller on relatively small plots. The Big Bend would fit into narrow plots on either side of existing buildings over which it would bend. Well, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.